No one expected the high-stakes Stanley Cup Finals, usually dominated by slap shots, flying pucks, and roaring fans, to transform into an unexpected stage for celebrity drama. Yet that's exactly what happened when pop icon Taylor Swift and NFL star Travis Kelce had what looked like a heated exchange right in front of the cameras. But the moment that really sent the internet into a frenzy, Jason Kelce's stunned reaction. Captured in the VIP section of the arena, Travis Kelce, donning a bold red jersey, was seen holding Taylor Swift from behind while they watched the action unfold on the ice. In that instant, Swift's face morphed from relaxed to what many interpreted as shock, frustration, or disbelief. Her mouth dropped open, brows furrowed, while Travis attempted to maintain a calm exterior. Within minutes, the clip made its rounds across social media platforms with trending titles like "Kelce and Swift explode at the Stanley Cup Finals," prompting fans and gossip sites to dive headfirst into speculation. But perhaps no one's reaction was more unforgettable than that of Jason Kelce. Travis is a brother and NFL legend in his own right. Speaking on his podcast, Jason related the moment with hilarious candor. His face turned stone.
One side, please. Come over here, come over here.
Taylor's probably like, "Are you serious, Travis? This is the Stanley Cup, not backstage at the Eras Tour." Travis just awkwardly chuckling like, "Hey, chill." The brotherly humor flowed through while fans online already piecing together potential causes for attention. One theory suggests Swift was cheering for a team rival in Travis' favor, sparking some sideline conflict. Others speculate on his game plans. Taylor reportedly wanted a cozy email. Travis leaned to a party with friends.
You guys do me a favor, take a step back, take a step back.
Don't worry, we're not hurting anyone.
Taylor's got a strong personality and my brother is expressive. It didn't look serious, just timid. Celebrity body language expert Judy James broke down for
Hi, Travis.
Oh shit, Wayne.
Romantic and slightly tense energy too. According to James, while the couple appeared affectionate,
Hi, Taylor. Hi, Taylor. How are you? Taylor. Taylor, can we get a few photos? Hi, Taylor.
From leaning her head onto Travis' shoulder to dramatically sipping from a can while locking eyes, Taylor played the role of enamored girlfriend with charisma. But some gestures went unanswered, like when Travis continued checking his phone during one of Taylor's most flirty moments. James interpreted this subtle moment as telling it might have stung a little. Taylor turned away, muttered something under her breath, but bounced back, still affectionate. One standout moment? Swift grabbing Travis' face and pulling him in for a passionate kiss. Sweet, yes, but again, Swift was the initiator. Judy James summed up the dynamic this way. Taylor was sending a message, "Hey, I matter more than the game." And honestly, we're seeing more women in high-profile relationships do that. It's a shift. So, was this a full-blown fight? Probably not, but it was definitely a raw, candid glimpse into a passionate, high-profile relationship under pressure and under the public microscope. As Jason put it best, "I came for hockey, but somehow got live footage of a dramatic spin-off of Kelce Brothers on ice, and honestly, I'm not mad about it.